contradictory to popular belief, if you don't upload for a while, you would think your channel would suffer. But let me tell you that this is actually far from the truth. Now, I haven't uploaded in a while, but this actually gave me some surprising results, and I want to share that with you to illustrate a point. So you think if you didn't upload for a while, then you probably would have lost subscribers. You would have not gotten much watch time, and people would just basically stop watching you. But I can say that this is not the case. And this is also coming from a channel that isn't really big right now. I'm at like 400 or 500 subscribers. So it's still pretty low. So let's go through some of my stats so you know I'm not lying. So overall, my views have done pretty decently. Some of them have spiked, but some of them have also gone down a bit. And this also depends on the video because some videos do better than others. If we go to watch time, it's been about the same. And again, this has only been a month plus or minus. So it didn't go down or up that much, which is great because if you don't upload for a while, you need to take a break, a mental health break. You're not gonna have to worry about that going down and potentially being demonetized or something like that. And I actually gained a subscriber. Now, although this is a very rare case that you might gain a subscriber if you don't upload as often, I can tell you that this is something that's still great because it shows that you can grow even when your videos are out there. But the one takeaway I want to illustrate through all of this is that if you put through the effort, the compounding effort to upload constantly and get at least a few videos out there, then your videos will probably get some traction and they will maintain the traction even if you have some downtime in between. So it's very useful to constantly upload, to create great videos of great value and to really help people, because that's what's going to help your channel grow and maintain itself throughout anything that you need it to be. And obviously this is really good for big channels because you're already having tons of videos out, you already have tons of subscribers, etc. But even for smaller channels, this is something great to see because you don't have to worry about this in the long run. For a small channel who has still some progress to make, but at least you can get an idea of some compounding effort that comes in from all of this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some value. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any of the social media, it'll be right over here. So I hope you check that out. And if you want to see another cool video, be sure to check this one out over here or check out the channel right over here. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.